Cherish the past, adorn the present, construct for the future. The words of Clough Williams-Ellis, architect of Portmeirion in North Wales. Wales has a past to cherish, but our image is continually evolving, and our mission is to develop a strong and unifying identity for our nation's future. An identity that is proud of who we are, and that is contemporary and engaging to the world. A brand that drives Wales forward on the UK and international stage, and also inspires the people of Wales to get involved. A feeling as much as a logo, the brand provides a platform for our nation across a wide range of sectors, seeking to engage, inform, invite, challenge and support in equal measure. It draws together disparate strands of activity, creating a glue that unites the great people and places of Wales, digitally, physically and culturally. Authentic, creative, alive. The brand will harness innovation to reveal new stories that complement our country's rich history, beauty and culture. The core idea, simple. This is Wales. A statement, direct, confident, unpretentious. An invitation to open your eyes to what Wales is today. And finally, and perhaps most importantly, a challenge to reconsider what you thought you knew about Wales. Our visual identity is about more than art direction. It's the visual expression of our belief and values. And where better to start than with a dragon that sits proudly on the Welsh flag, a Ddraig Goch, the epitome of the Welsh nation on both the national and international stage. Strong, distinctive, creative and confident. This new reductive and contemporary rendering of the familiar icon re-establishes the link with our national flag. Another feature informed by the flag is the dominant horizon line, itself suggesting infinite ideas and possibility. It reflects the brand's belief in Bro, the land under our feet, rooted in our communities and with real social purpose, and Byd, the world beyond the horizon. Wales is built on both. Our bespoke typeface takes cues from the Welsh typographical heritage. It features a number of special Welsh characters, or diagraphs, that are wholly unique to Cymru Wales Sans, a first for a contemporary digital typeface. These characters will allow designers to bring in as much sense of place as is required, representing Wales to the world in an authentic and creative way. The typeface is designed to work in print, on screen and online. And specific weights and cases have been selected to represent different sectors of activity, from tourism to business, food and drink to transport. Our choice and naming of colours has been directly informed by the Welsh landscape and its vernacular. The colour palette is wholly ownable, and each of the 18 colours is named after a specific place or location in Wales. Just as our colours have been informed by our landscape, we suggest that colour palettes can also be created in the same way. Photography plays an equally important part in the identity. 90-degree aerials and bold horizon lines are established as signature styles. Our aim now is to bring together great creative work with bold, challenging ideas across Wales to push our nation's story forward, to share compelling new narratives from our country. Narratives that elevate our status, surprise and inspire, change perceptions, do good things, and are unmistakably Wales. According to the rough guides, the national spirit is undergoing a remarkable renaissance. The ancient symbol of the country, a Ddraig Goch, is waking. Past, present, and future. This is Wales.